Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7S, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to more features. After that click to super snap and you'll see here screen recording section. Just to change screen recording quality we should click here and we can select standard, high definition or super definition. Also if you want you can set your custom screen recording quality. So also we have one more way how we can launch the screen recording settings. Just first you should open notification panel shortcuts. After that, somewhere here you should find the record icon. Just click here once and then you'll see here the settings icon. By this way you should just click here to more settings and you'll launch the same screen recording settings and change your screen recording quality. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.